I think I've been listening to myself for a couple of days, going back to my previous videos, and I think I do realize that I sound differently. I don't know if you guys are used to it, but listening to yourself is way different than speaking in person. Like when you record yourself and you listen to yourself speak, it sounds different, and I feel like I feel like I'm very mean. I'm not really mean, but I I have to be slow and gentle. You understand? Like I have to be. I'm not used to all these stuff, so I don't record myself and post on YouTube. So I'm beginning to deal with how YouTube algorithm work, not algorithm, but the whole process of filming and producing yourself and recording yourself. I'm not really using any script as off head, so I again I try my very best to be natural with my presentation, and I sift out all. I don't know. I just trying to present myself very well, and so that people can hear me right. I did this. I just did my back testing, listening to myself, and I feel like I have to calm down a little bit when I'm speaking. So okay. So today's video, I wanted to highlight the uptrend using Market Cipher and using all oscillators and indicators as your ultimate trading script. So let's go back to the script, and sorry, let's go up to trading view. And okay, so this Market Cipher is made up of two structures. Structure A we already know, and structure B we already know. So in today's video, I just wanted to highlight how Market Cipher gave us a visual representation of how price moved upwards. So you could realize that when we got to the side, this very point, excuse me, two things happen, or probably two things. Let's say, let me put a vertical line here. Oops, vertical here. Okay, so this is my vertical line, and I want us to notice something, that we had a green dot here, and our momentum wave, which is our engine, was heading towards the positive territories. So it went to the positive territories, up, 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 up again. Then we had our money flow also in the positive territories, up, 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 up. Then we had our VWAP also in the positive territories, up, up. Then let's see how momentum literally moved in this given period from this side to this side. So just take a good look at this place. You realize that this place was very open. There wasn't like any momentum wave coming down. It came down was here, but again it quickly went back. So there was like a huge vacuum of no momentum movements. In other words, we spent so many time in the positive territories than in the negative. This is the positive, and this is also the negative. And we have so many movement of price in the positive territories. Like sorry, for our oscillators in our positive territory. This is our liquid. It was also in the positive territories for so long of a time, so long of a time, so long of a time, that you could realize that we never had our liquid in the negative territories. It didn't even cross the negative territories. It didn't even enter the negative territories. It was way, 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 way in a positive. Then our momentum was already in a positive. Came down, was here, came upwards back. But I think it was our VWAP, the yellow line, that kept circulating, so oscillating upwards, came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, came down. But you do have to realize that we have two most influential oscillators heading towards the same direction too. You understand? And we had just one single one just liking up and down, oscillating up and down, up and down, up and down. So in other words, price, let's look at how price reacted, like from this side, boom, 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 hugely, hugely, hugely upwards, upwards, upwards. It was mainly due to the fact that we have so much of our, or so many of our influential oscillators in the positives. Evidently, VWAP was also in the positive, but it came up or down. But again, we had liquid and had our engine. So price, boom, 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 boom. You understand? So trading now becomes direction upwards, downwards, consolidate, upwards, downwards, consolidate, upward, downwards, consolidate. So price tends to react usually very based on the redirection of our oscillators. But again, I do have a course as in a pipeline, and I go into very details of trading using Market Cipher script, and as a very simplified course that gives real insights into our oscillators and how they work and how they functions, and how our indicators also functions as well. So this is just a simplified video. Um, the full course is in the pipeline, and when I'm done, I'll let you guys know. So until then, have a nice time, people. Peace.